You have received word that CFIA is requesting an inspection of your produce storage and distribution operation. And your first reaction is probably somewhere between mild concern and full stress. You are busy, you need to get the produce out before they wilt or rejected by your customers, tight timelines, and a team that is focused on moving product, not preparing for audits. I'm Felicia Loo. I'm a food safety consultant specializing in Canadian regulatory compliance, and I work specifically with produce operations that handle storage and distribution. I understand the pace of your operation, and I want to help you walk into this inspection prepared and organized. Let's start with what a CFIA compliance verification activity actually looks at in a produce context. Under the Safe Food for Canadians Act, produce operations with storage and distribution functions are required to have a preventive control plan. That plan needs to cover the specific hazards relevant to fresh produce, microbial risks from water and environmental contamination, temperature controls throughout the cold chain, traceability requirements, and sanitation procedures. If your PCP was built generically and never customized for your actual operation, the gaps will show up in an inspection. Here are 2 things to do this week. Number 1, pull your cold chain records and review them. Are your temperature monitoring logs complete? Do you have calibration records for your monitoring equipment? Are there unexplained gaps or entries that do not match your procedure? These are among the first things a CFIA inspector will request in a produce storage operation. Number 2, test your traceability. Pick a random lot from last month and trace it. Forward through distribution. Backward through intake. How long does it take? What records do you rely on? If the answer involves a notebook that only one person understands, that is a vulnerability. I want to be direct about something. CFIA inspectors in fresh produce and storage operations are specifically trained to look at food safety risks that are unique to your sector. Temperature abuse, cross-contamination from poor sanitation, and traceability failures are few categories you want to be aware of. This is not about clean floors. It is about whether your system can prevent a food safety incident and respond to one if it happens. If your preventive control plan has not been reviewed in over a year, or if you have never had your system audited, or you are not sure what is happening, you can book a strategy call with us to schedule a pre-inspection. A pre-inspection review can identify the gaps that matter and help you address them in a way that demonstrates good faith to the inspector. Link to book a call with us in the video description. Subscribe for more practical food safety content for produce and food manufacturing operations across Canada.